There's an uncomfortable truth about small businesses, and it's this. Most people you know are trapped trading their time for a paycheck, while a silent group of people is making money with machines that keep producing while they sleep. And the craziest part is that those machines aren't expensive, they aren't complicated, and you can order them directly from China, right from your phone. Today I'm bringing you 14 machines that you can easily import from China to manufacture products that people buy every single day. Some of them are going to surprise you because of how simple they are, others because of the profit margins they leave. And when you get to number 10, you're going to understand why almost nobody is talking about it yet. I'll leave all the machine links for you in a document down below in the description. Let's go. Machine 1. Vertical 3D Wall Mural Printer. Let's start with something that the first time you see it, you honestly don't understand how it's real. This machine prints directly onto walls. Yes, you read that right. Onto walls. Giant murals, high-resolution photos, company logos, everything printed directly onto block walls or drywall surfaces. It works using rails that hold it against the wall. You send it the design, and the machine moves up and down on its own while applying high-resolution ink, and within just a few hours, you have a fully finished professional mural. No painters, no ladders, no stencils. On Alibaba, you can find it for between $2,000 and $7,000. And the business? A medium-sized mural can be charged anywhere from $50 to $300. Corporate murals, murals for barbershops, kids' bedrooms, gamer setups, restaurants. Every new business location is a potential client. Do the math and you'll start to see the potential. And here's a key detail. Recording the machine while it works is guaranteed viral content on TikTok. People literally cannot stop watching an image appear on a wall like magic. Your own machine working becomes your best advertisement. The next machine produces something that millions of people use every single day and never stop buying. Machine 2. Automatic Disposable Plastic Glove Manufacturing Machine. Hospitals, restaurants, industrial kitchens, supermarkets, beauty salons, all of them consume disposable gloves by the ton. They use them once and throw them away. It's an endless consumption product, and almost nobody is thinking about producing it locally. The machine takes polyethylene rolls, feeds them through a system that applies heat and pressure, and cuts and seals the glove shape completely automatically. Some models produce between 100 and 200 gloves per minute. While you're drinking a coffee, it already made thousands. On Alibaba, you can find it between $4,000 and $9,000. Producing one glove costs you between 2 and 4 cents. A pack of 100 gloves in the wholesale market sells for between $2 and $8. Just do the math yourself. Who do you sell them to? Cleaning companies, small medical distributors, local restaurants, grocery stores, commercial kitchens. The demand stays constant all year long. It doesn't depend on trends, and it doesn't depend on seasons. People are always going to need gloves. The next one is the solution to a problem that almost nobody is solving in their city yet. Machine 3. Automatic Wire Mesh Manufacturing Machine. Look around at any construction site. See that metal mesh covering windows, chicken coops, farms, fences? That mesh that looks so simple moves millions of dollars every year. And it's manufactured with this machine that fits inside almost any large garage. It works by feeding rolls of wire that automatically interlock together. The machine cuts, bends, and delivers sections ready to sell. It doesn't require technical experience. You turn it on, and it produces on its own. On Alibaba, you can find it between $2,500 and $6,000. Wire as a raw material is cheap. 1 square meter of mesh at a hardware store sells for between $5 and $15, depending on the gauge. Imagine that margin multiplied by the amount you produce. Who do you sell it to? Hardware stores, small construction companies, farm owners, gardening projects, chicken coops, fencing projects. It's a product with constant demand because everybody needs something fenced off. And on Facebook Marketplace, products like this sell insanely fast. The next one is completely different. We're going from industrial manufacturing to something every new business desperately needs. Machine 4. Automatic Metal Letter Bending Machine for Business Signs. Every time a new business opens, somebody has to make the sign for it. How many businesses open every month in your city? A lot. And every single one needs perfect three-dimensional letters for its storefront. That demand is what makes this business a gold mine. The machine works with a digital system. You upload the design into the software, feed the machine with strips of aluminum or steel, and the machine bends the metal following every curve of the letter. In just a few minutes, you have the structure ready to add illuminated acrylic or LEDs. On Alibaba, you can find it between $1,500 and $6,000. A basic metal letter is charged between $20 and $80. A complete storefront sign for a business can easily reach $1,000 or more. And since you work by order, you don't have dead inventory sitting around. Important tip: when importing this machine, make sure to ask for the updated software that's compatible with the most common design formats. That will save you a lot of headaches later. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and leave the word China down in the comments so I know you're serious about this. Let's move on to the next one. Machine 5. Injection molding machine for silicone and PVC keychains. Custom keychains. Events, brands, corporate gifts, wedding souvenirs, baptisms, companies that want gifts for their employees. Silicone and PVC keychains are everywhere, and almost nobody knows they can make them from home. The machine works using molds where you pour silicone or liquid PVC in different colors. It applies heat to solidify the material and delivers flexible, eye-catching, durable pieces. It's basically like having a mini factory for personalized products. On Alibaba, you can find it between $2,000 and $4,000. Producing one keychain costs between 20 and 40 cents. Sold to the public, they go for between $1 and $4. And when you land large orders for companies or events, that's when the business starts getting serious. Run the numbers and you'll see the potential. Who do you sell them to? Companies that give corporate gifts, event organizers, schools, churches, local sports teams, brands that want their logo on something physical. It's a business where you create the design and the machine does the production. The next one transforms almost free waste into a premium product with growing demand. Machine 6. Eco-friendly Sawdust briquette extruder machine. This machine is going to surprise you. Do you know what woodworking shops do with all the leftover sawdust they have? They throw it away. They give it away. Sometimes they even pay to have it removed. And you're going to go there, pick it up almost for free, and turn it into something that sells for a great price. The machine takes the sawdust, compresses it under high pressure, and the friction creates heat that activates the wood's natural resin. That resin binds everything together, forming compact blocks without chemicals, without glue, without anything artificial. What comes out on the other side are briquettes ready to be used as fuel. On Alibaba, you can find it between $1,500 and $3,500. Some models produce up to 300 kilos per hour. And how much does a ton of briquettes sell for? Between $180 and $300 depending on the market. Since the sawdust costs you almost nothing, the profit margin speaks for itself. Who do you sell them to? Wood-fired pizza shops, barbecue restaurants, people with fireplaces, farms, industrial boilers. It's an eco-friendly product that burns cleaner and lasts longer than firewood. And almost nobody is doing this in many areas yet. The competition is minimal. The next one looks like something from another century, but the market is still very much alive. Machine 7. Automatic wooden toothpick manufacturing machine. How many toothpicks are used in a single restaurant in 1 week? Hundreds. And in an entire city? Thousands. And in a country? Millions. It's one of those products nobody notices but everybody consumes. And that's exactly what makes it a silent but unstoppable business. The machine takes simple blocks of wood and processes them at high speed. It cuts them, sharpens the tips, polishes the surface, everything completely automatically. Your job is basically to feed it wood and package whatever comes out on the other side. On Alibaba, you can find it between $2,000 and $6,000. Wood as a raw material is inexpensive. A pack of toothpicks in any supermarket sells between $1 and $3. When you sell wholesale to distributors, restaurants, and hotels, the monthly volume speaks for itself. Run the numbers and you'll see that it's profitable. Import tip: always order the replacement blade kit with your very first purchase. That can save you months of waiting later when you need to replace them. The difference between the person who orders them and the person who doesn't is the one who keeps producing while everyone else is stopped. The next one is one of the most versatile machines on the list. It can be used for many different products. Machine 8. Automatic wire ring manufacturing machine. This machine makes something so specific that most people would never even think about it. But it's behind products you see every single day. The rings on your keychains, the spirals in your notebooks, curtain rings, small industrial parts. All of those are made by a machine like this. It works by pulling steel rolls, regulating the tension with rollers, feeding the wire through a circular bending mechanism, and cutting each piece with perfect precision. Some models produce between 2,800 and 5,000 rings per hour. That's a massive amount of production. On Alibaba, you can find it between $1,500 and $6,000. Producing one ring costs you less than 2 cents. Sold wholesale, they go for around 10 to 20 cents each. Who buys from you? Printing shops that make spiral notebooks, keychain manufacturers, hardware stores, small workshops. The secret is finding 3 or 4 wholesale clients who buy from you consistently. Once you have them, the machine basically runs itself, and all you do is deliver orders. It's a quiet, volume-based business, but it's stable. Now, we're almost at number 10, the one I told you almost nobody is taking advantage of yet. But before that, let's go to number 9, which is for the people who want to get into the industrial fashion business. Machine 9, automatic adhesive tape manufacturing machine. Adhesive tape, that roll sitting somewhere in a drawer in your house that you've probably never stopped to wonder where it comes from. It's in offices, warehouses, moving companies, logistics businesses, and on every package Amazon ships. It's an absolutely basic product with endless demand. The machine takes large rolls of plastic film, applies a uniform adhesive layer, runs everything through a controlled heat system to set it, and at the end cuts the master roll into dozens of smaller rolls ready for distribution. This is pure industrial production. On Alibaba, you can find it between $4,800 and $10,000. Yes, it's not one of the cheapest machines, but the business is highly scalable. Producing one roll costs you between 20 and 40 cents. A single roll in any office supply store or retail shop sells between $1 and $3. Multiplied by thousands, the numbers speak for themselves. Who do you sell it to? Logistics companies, supermarkets, office supply stores, factories that need packaging materials. And if you create your own brand with good packaging, you can also sell it online. The market is massive. And now, yes, let's move on to number 10, the one I told you was going to surprise you. Machine 10, automatic incense extrusion machine. We made it. Number 10. And here's the surprise. Incense is one of the fastest growing markets in the wellness world, and almost nobody is realizing it. Aromatherapy, meditation, decoration, spirituality, events. People burn incense every single day for 1,000 different reasons. And you know what? Most of it is not manufactured in your country, it's imported. The machine works in a simple but powerful way. You pour the aromatic mixture into the hopper and the system automatically extrudes sticks or cones. Your job is to prepare the mixture and let the machine handle the rest. On Alibaba, you can find it between $1,000 and $3,000. It's one of the most affordable machines on the entire list. Producing a pack of incense costs you just cents. A nice-looking package with good branding sells between $5 and $12 in natural product stores. Just run the numbers and you'll realize this is one of the best profit margins you're going to see today. Who do you sell it to? Natural product stores, spas, yoga and meditation centers, artisan markets, and of course, your own brand through Instagram and TikTok. The customer who discovers your incense usually becomes a recurring customer every single month. And that's the most valuable thing in any business, customers who come back on their own. Why did I tell you this machine was going to surprise you? Because it combines everything good about a business. Low machine cost, low production cost, high margins, growing demand, and low local competition. You're not going to find many machines that check all 5 boxes at the same time. The next one is for people who love stationery and products that people use every single day. Machine 11, automatic spiral notebook binding machine. Notebooks haven't disappeared despite all the technology. Students, office workers, professionals, artists, people who take notes by hand. The stationery industry is still moving massive amounts of money, and spiral notebooks are the kings of that market. The machine punches the pages with exact precision and inserts the spiral binding in seconds. It works automatically and allows you to make everything from basic notebooks to premium personalized planners. And here's the good part, customized planners are where the real money is. On Alibaba, you can find it between $2,000 and $6,000. Producing a basic notebook costs very little. A personalized version with a great cover, high-quality printing, and premium presentation sells between $5 and $20. Run the numbers and you'll see that it's highly profitable. Who do you sell them to? Schools that buy wholesale, offices that want planners with their logo, stationery stores, social media brands that sell designer planners. The aesthetic planner niche on Instagram exploded, and there's a lot of money there waiting to be explored. The next one makes one of the most basic household products, and almost nobody is manufacturing it locally. Machine 12, automatic wooden broom handle manufacturing machine. How many brooms are there in your house, in your office, in any business? At least one. And every single one needs a wooden handle. It's such a basic product that nobody thinks about it, but it keeps selling constantly without stopping. The machine receives wooden slats, feeds them through blades and rollers that shape them into the perfect cylindrical form, and at the end a sanding system gives them a professional finish. It's a continuous and automatic process. On Alibaba, you can find it between $4,000 and $9,000. Wood as a raw material is inexpensive. A broom handle in the wholesale market sells between $1 and $3. When you sell to hardware stores, supermarkets, or large distributors, volume is what makes the business work. Who do you sell them to? Hardware stores, supermarkets, cleaning companies, wholesale distributors. And here's the interesting part. This is a product that almost nobody manufactures locally. Most of them are imported already finished, which creates a huge opportunity to produce them in your area with lower costs. 2 left. And the last one is going to make you really hungry. Machine 13, manual cardboard die cutting machine. Behind every pizza box, every Amazon package, every gift box, there's somebody who had to cut that cardboard with precision. And with the explosion of e-commerce and entrepreneurs selling through social media, the demand for custom packaging has exploded. The die-cutting machine uses pressure on metal molds to cut cardboard into exact shapes. You place the sheet, pull the lever down, and the box comes out ready to assemble. It's simple but effective, and it produces boxes that look completely professional. On Alibaba, you can find it between $2,000 and $5,000. Producing a basic box costs around 30 cents. A custom box with an attractive design sells between $1 and $5 depending on the size. When you land contracts with online stores or restaurants, the workflow becomes constant. Who do you sell them to? Entrepreneurs who sell online? Bakeries and pastry shops? Restaurants with delivery services? Small shops? You're not competing with brands. You're supplying other entrepreneurs who need packaging with good presentation. And the last one, I saved this one for the end because it's the most delicious. Machine 14, automatic ice cream cone manufacturing machine. Let's finish with something sweet. Ice cream cones. Do you know how many are consumed in a single ice cream shop on a hot day? Hundreds? And in an entire city? Thousands. It's a mass consumption product with constant demand anywhere that experiences warm weather at least part of the year. The machine pours the flour and sugar mixture into heated molds that cook it in seconds. Before the wafer cools down, a mechanism automatically rolls it into that perfect crispy cone shape. Some models produce thousands of units per hour. On Alibaba, you can find it between $3,000 and $8,000. Producing one cone costs between 5 and 10 cents. Sold wholesale to ice cream shops, they go for around 20 to 40 cents each. Just run the numbers and you'll see the potential multiplied by thousands of units every month. Who do you sell them to? Local ice cream shops, supermarkets, wholesale distributors, events. And if you combine this machine with your own small ice cream shop, then you're no longer selling cones wholesale, you're selling complete ice cream products directly to the final customer, where the margins are even better. And that was it. 14 machines that you can easily import directly from China without ever leaving your house. Some of them were probably surprising because they seem boring, but those are exactly the kinds of businesses that quietly move money every single day without anybody noticing. If you made it this far, tell me down in the comments which of these 14 machines you would import first. I read everything, and I genuinely love seeing which machine connects with each person. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I already have part 1 ready with 15 completely different machines that you can also import. I'll leave it right here on the screen, and today's links are all waiting for you in the description document. See you in the next one.